Hello everybody, we're doing an unboxing of a package. I wasn't expecting this, so no idea what's inside of it. So we'll find out together. Looks like brake pad box, so we'll see what's inside of it. Gonna Okay, we have some information. And I'm gonna assume this is another transmission controller. Yes, it is another transmission controller. Okay, I think this is for a repair. I think I spoke to this guy a couple weeks ago. I get a dozen or more inquiries a week on these, so I can't remember them all. So I've got his information. At least the person sent their information. So thank you very much for that. I'll get this in the repair queue and send you out an email.